Cheetah is a little monkey. She is from Africa. She is brown. Cheetah is funny. She likes to jump, run, and play very much. She can sing and dance too, but she hasn't got friends to play with. And Cheetah wants to have many friends, so she goes and goes and goes. One day she sees a big green frog. The frog can jump, but she can't run or play games. I don't want to have the frog as a friend, says Cheetah, and she goes and goes and goes. Then Cheetah sees a dolphin, a big red dolphin. The dolphin can jump and play, but it can't run or sing. I do want to have such a friend, said the monkey. So she goes and goes and goes. The cheetah sees a little black and white kitten. The kitten is funny. It can run, jump, and dance. It has got a ball and likes to play with it. So the monkey liked the kitten very much. She wants to have the kitten as a friend. Do you want to be my friend? Let's play, says the monkey. Now
Says the
monkey. Now Cheetah has got a friend to play with. She loves the kitten very much. Bye.